Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Open Google Pay and go straight to your profile. You don't need settings detours. You'll see your name and account image at the top. Tap it. You must be signed into the exact Google account used for payments because username changes map to that profile. Once you tap your profile, choose Edit or the pencil icon. This starts the name change flow. You're doing this to update how people see you when you send or receive money, not to change your Google account email. When the edit screen opens, replace or adjust your first and last name fields. Keep it within Google Pay name policies. You may be asked to verify identity. Provide requested info like a PIN, biometric, or a quick OTP because payments require secure confirmation. Make sure names match any ID you'll use for verification later. After editing, tap Save or Done. The app will process and display a confirmation. If it looks unchanged, give it a minute and refresh your profile view. Once you save, verify the new name appears on your profile and in a test send request to yourself or a trusted contact. If it doesn't update, first force close and reopen the app or sign out and sign back in. Caching often causes delay. If problems persist, contact Google Pay support and provide your account email, device model, and screenshots of the edit and any errors. One key tip: if verification fails, check for pending app updates and retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.